If you're an agency looking to sign up for GoHighLevel in 2025, the best way to save money is to use an affiliate coupon or referral bonus when you create your account. While GoHighLevel doesn't advertise public coupons often, they do work with partners and affiliates who can get you $100 to $300 or $100 to $300 off your first payment. Here's how to get it. First of all, go to a trusted affiliate. You usually find them on YouTube or Reddit. Make sure the link includes $100 off or agency starter discount, and you will either get the discount applied automatically or be prompted to enter a code during checkout, like this code, etc., and this varies. And most codes are tied to the $297 a month plan or $497 SaaS Pro plan. So double check the plan before applying. Pro tip, many agencies offering these codes will also throw in free templates, workflows, or onboarding calls as a part of the deal. Look for those bonuses. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you.